Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to add extension in Chrome on Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into this tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following into this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Play Store. So I'm going to click on here to open my Play Store. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on search from the bottom side right here. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on search apps and game. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply type in Kiwi Browser. So this is it right here. So make sure you click on Kiwi Browser. Click on that. Then it open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on Kiwi Browser fast and quiet. Click on that. Then it take you right here. So at the time of making this video, 10 million plus have successfully downloaded and installed this app on their Android phone. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on install. Just like so. After a successful installation, next thing you need to do is to simply click on open right here. And simply click on continue. So it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to see how we can use Kiwi Browser to add Chrome extension in our Android phone. And for us to do that, what we need to do is to simply click on this three dots from the top. This is going to open up. Next thing we want to do is to simply click on extensions. They take us right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply hit on OK. And the next thing you need to do is to click on plus from store. It's going to take you to Google extension right here. Then from here, you can choose any types of extension you would like to install. So let's say I need education extension. I will simply click on education right here. And it's going to load all extension under the education, just like what you see right here. You can also come to the top right here where you make use of search, extension, and theme. Then you can select any of the extension you would like. So right here, I'm going to simply get this particular translator right here. So I will simply click on here. And it's open up like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply come to the top right here. Click on add to Chrome. Then the next thing we want to do is to simply click on OK. So extension added successful. Next thing we want to do is to simply click on save and close. So it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to add extension in Chrome on Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.